Hi everyone, I'm Chef, and welcome to my channel, the ultimate escape into imagination turned virtual reality. Here, we take the wildest designs from the past, the cutting-edge concepts of today, and the boldest ideas of tomorrow, blending real-world architecture with pure fantasy to create some of the most jaw-dropping spaces and places you've ever seen. Hidden underground bunkers with luxury twists. Secret garages full of classic legends, impossible structures that defy gravity, all brought to life through advanced AI, so you can walk right in and explore. If you're ready for mind-bending tours, epic reveals, and a front row seat to worlds that don't exist yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's dive in together. Hey everyone, it's Chef here, your guide to the wildest hidden worlds out there. Today we're stepping into something extraordinary, a massive luxury underground bunker disguised right under an ordinary estate. From the surface, it looks like any quiet garden wall, nothing special, but press the right spot and the entire stone section glides open without a whisper. Pure hidden engineering at its finest. Step inside, this isn't your average door. It's the entrance to a private elevator, disguised perfectly as a high-end closet. Wood panels, soft lighting. The hum of the mechanics is so quiet you almost miss it. No windows, no hints from above. This place vanishes from the world. Elevator slowing, soft ding, doors parting. Welcome to the first level below ground. Wide corridor stretching out ahead. Concrete polished smooth. LEDs casting a soft daylight glow so it never feels like a cave. Walk with neatly. Vents whispering filtered air, tiny security sensors blinking red like watchful eyes. Industrial chic meets absolute security. Up ahead, that soft blue glow. That's the famous pond glass wall starting to come into view. The fish gliding past like it's an underwater window to the surface world. But we'll get there soon enough. For now, just take in how alive this hidden space feels. Unreal luxury buried right under the earth. Look at this gym setup. Top-tier machines, free weights stacked perfectly. You could train for hours down here without seeing daylight, and it'd still feel elite. Keep walking. Straight ahead, the home theater drops jaws. Massive curved screen dominating the wall. Rows of plush recliners with built-in controls. Surround sound hidden in the ceiling. Imagine movie nights in absolute isolation. Over here, one of the hidden panels glides open at a touch. Step in. This wine vault is pure class. Rows upon rows of rare vintages, soft lighting highlighting the labels. Thousands of bottles, aged to perfection, all secured underground where nothing can touch them. The air's still crisp, but warmer in spots from the smart climate system. Deeper in, you catch a hint of cedar. Sauna area ahead, steam ready with benches and ambient glow. This place isn't just survival, it's living better than most surface mansions. We've moved past the living quarters, down a ramp that feels like entering another world entirely. And here it is, the underground garage that makes this bunker legendary. Space opens up huge, climate-controlled perfection. That 69 Mustang Fastback gleaming under the lights. Next to it, a pristine 57 Chevy Bel Air convertible, white walls shining, ready for a cruise that'll never happen topside. European icons too. Think Jaguar E-Type, Porsche 356, arranged like a private museum, turntables letting them spin for the ultimate view. Keep going. The vibe shifts to the restoration bay. This is where the magic happens. Lifts holding up projects in progress. One classic with the hood wide open, engine bay stripped and detailed, fresh parts waiting. Tools laid out perfectly. Wrenches, sanders, paint guns. Primer patches on the body, ready for that final coat. Another bay shows a frame-off rebuild in the works. Suspension components gleaming new against the old chassis. This isn't just storage, it's a full shop, keeping legends alive underground, away from the world. What a way to end the tour. A hidden paradise for any car lover. If you could park your dream collection down here, what would be first in line? Drop it in the comments. Like if this bunker blew your mind. More insane hidden worlds coming soon. Chef out.